Hashtags and retweets are coming to Wall Street as Twitter prepares to go public. The paperwork for Twitter's initial public offering was unsealed Thursday. The social media giant will be trading publicly under the symbol TWTR, and it expects to raise $1 billion through their IPO. Twitter announced its public unveiling in classic brevity with a short tweet on its official account. But the filing itself is a bit more than 140 characters. At 240 pages, Twitter's public filing reveals a wealth of new information about the company's inner workings. Some of the highlights: in June, Twitter reached about 218 million active users. It made about $316 million in revenue last year, and CEO Richard Costello made $11.5 million last year as well. But for all the good news, Twitter's still in the red. The company's costs boomed along with profits, and it lost almost $80 million last year. The Wall Street Journal says Twitter's financials paint a familiar picture for tech startups. Revenue has soared, but profits don't exist. And investors have been wary of tech stocks ever since Facebook's high-profile flop in 2012. 4 months after their IPO, Facebook's shares dropped in value by half. But Facebook eventually recovered from its price dive, and a CNBC anchor thinks Twitter is going to be a different story entirely.
The risk of it being a Facebook flop on the IPO is much less than it was with Facebook. Twitter's a company that's set up for Wall Street. They're telling you what they're going to do. They're telling you how they're going to improve their bottom line.
Twitter's shares are tentatively scheduled for public trading around Thanksgiving, though the government shutdown could push the launch back until 2014. For Newsy, I'm Christian Bryant.